everybody, it is Dingle here and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope y'all are doing super duper well. Guys, welcome back to a new Makeup Monday. It's not really like a new Makeup Monday, but if you are new to this channel, we choose a Monday of about like every month or so to talk about makeup, what's new to the market, what I haven't tested yet. It gives me, a non-beauty guru person who just loves to play with makeup, a chance to play with makeup or talk about makeup because I do really enjoy it. So that's what we're gonna do today. Kind of. Before we hop into the video, if you're new, do not forget to subscribe so that we can spend more time together. If you like this type of content, lifestyle content, vlogs, and also, most importantly, Sims. So go ahead and subscribe. Everybody don't forget to like up the video before you leave. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So today, you guys, I am going to be talking about, let me cover the address, okay. I am going to be talking about Sephora Play. That is what we're here to talk about today. If you have no idea what Sephora Play is, it is Sephora's version of a monthly subscription beauty box type of thing. It's $9.99 per month. I think it comes to like $11 after they do tax or whatever it is. And they send you, I think it's 5 to 6, I've gotten 5, I've gotten 6 beauty products. Sample sizes, sometimes a little bit bigger than sample sizes. What is different about Sephora that I have found versus other subscription boxes like Etsy, what the like Ipsy, is that all of the products are pretty high-end. If you know Sephora, it's more of like a high-end makeup store. It's got things like Hourglass and Tarte, like a lot of really high-end skincare stuff. So the samples, or like bigger than sample things you get, are really high quality and they're more on the luxurious end of makeup. And for $9.99 a month, I have been very pleased with it, but let's get into the reason why I am canceling my box. I want to skip past this part. I will put the timestamp of when we are just going to dive into the box. If you're just here for the haul, I gotcha, I get it, so just go right to that timestamp if you're just interested in the haul. But the main reason that I am canceling my Sephora subscription box, honestly, it's not that dramatic. Jack and I have recently sat down and we looked at everything that we pay for every single month, and it's crazy how many things that we have signed up for that we just don't really think about, and they just like keep getting charged every single month, and we don't really look at the statements or anything like that. And so when we sat down, we looked at everything that we have like signed up for but just like haven't canceled yet, or things that we truly just don't need anymore or don't find joy in anymore or anything like that. There were so many things. I'm talking like Spotify has this thing where if you have Spotify Premium, you can get Hulu for free. We pay for Spotify Premium and we pay for Hulu separately, but we just never like combines the two, just like silly things like that. So as we were taking the time to really like consolidate and X out the stuff that we just don't use anymore, we were saving so much money, so I highly recommend that. But on the list was Sephora Play, and I just found that I was super happy with the stuff that Sephora was sending me, for sure. Absolutely super satisfied with the products and the things and the service and everything like that. I just wouldn't be going through the samples before like the next box would come, so I just felt like I was just accumulating all these samples and not really getting to try out every single one or take advantage of every single one before all of a sudden I had a new box of like more, like 5 to 6 more samples. So I loved it, but I just don't need it anymore. So if you are interested in a subscription box that costs much less than like $50 or even $15, I would highly recommend the Sephora Play box. It's just not for me right now, but not to say that I won't pick back up the subscription later in my life. But enough of that rambling, let's just dive into the box. So this box, my friends, this is the, can it tell me what month this is? Hello? I'm gonna assume it's the month of June because I got it in the month of June, so we're just gonna go with that. So this is Sephora Play's June box, and it comes in a beautifully branded box such as this. I love their branding. It feels very luxurious, very black and white, very chic per se. And then you open up the box and it's adorable. It has a little quote inside saying, "Show off and share using #Sephora Play." So not as cute as I thought it was. It used to be cuter than that. Well, whatever. And then it comes with a pamphlet right on top. This card expires at the end of the month that you get your box. So this one, for example, expires on June 30th, but if you go to Sephora and purchase something, it doesn't have to be something in the box. You can literally purchase anything. You get 50 Beauty Insider points. And if you're new to Sephora at all, Beauty Insider is their program. It's completely free and you just rack up points as you buy things in Sephora. And so the more points you get little freebies that they have at the front of the store. They're usually like full-sized ones or like really nice sample-sized ones. With your box, you get 50. So when you go to the store and buy something, you can automatically get like 50 more points. I think I've hit that on my head. Okay, moving on. And then you get a pamphlet in here that's super cute and super branded for the month that you're in and just super adorable. Like on the back right here, it has a lot of summary things because summer solstice just happened. They know that it's in June. And then it has on the other side details about how to use the product and why you will love the product. So I'm gonna save reading these things because they're all about the products like within the bag, and then I'm going to skip to the actual products within my Sephora box this month. All right, the first product, my friend, that I got in my box is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. Strengthen, balance, and hydrate, safe for sensitive skin. So what it says about this, my friends, just like a suitcase helps keep the good things in and the bad things out, this cream helps keep moisture in and pollution, irritants, and allergens out. Super clear instructions on how to use it and why you'll love it. Love that. And First Aid Beauty is, as we know, one of like the best brands ever. So that's really awesome. Next up, we have the Believe in True, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. That sounds super intense, but more skincare. I'm living for it. Cannonball into hydration with an ultra lightweight antioxidant rich moisturizer that feels like a pool party for your face. So this seems like a very hydrating type of moisturizer. I'm living for it. Also a tidbit, I tend to get a lot of these like little moisturizers or face masks in this amount, which is amazing. My skin has been loving how long I've been subscribed to Sephora Play, so love this. I'm always having a plethora of moisturizers and masks to choose from while I'm treating myself, which is every single day. Next up, my friends, is the Laneige, I'm gonna butcher that name, I'm so sorry, Lip Sleeping Mask. Oh, that's so exciting. I have their face sleeping mask. I used it last night. Hold on, let me just show you. It just like makes your skin so radiant. I am wearing makeup right now, so this is not bare skin, but like I wake up whenever I use that mask. You like put it on before you go to sleep. Obviously it's a sleeping mask and you wake up and your skin is just like loving you for it. This is specifically a lip one. What does it say about this? A leader in the K-beauty scene. Ooh, I think that's Korean beauty. For more than 20 years, Laneige stepped up their skincare with hydro-ionized mineral water that delivers intense moisture. So that's awesome. So I literally can have one for like my lips and my face, and I can wake up looking like a baby. So love that for us. Also, hi helicopter. Nice to see you. Ooh, fun. Okay, we've got a makeup product in here. Love that. This is the Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation. Ooh, I can't say that I've ever tried a Tarte foundation. No, I really haven't. So this is exciting. And it looks like, let's see the shade here. It looks pretty close to my skin. I'm definitely a little more tan now, but with a little bronzer, I think this could seriously work. Love this. This is in the shade Light Beige, which sounds like my skin. So let's we'll give that a try. That's really exciting, actually. I've never had this before. So that's great. And they got the shade pretty on point. And it is a new product. So very fun. Love that. I do love how this box stays up with the new products that are in Sephora, so we can give them a try within our box before we like buy full-size ones. Love that, love that. The other thing I'll mention while we're on this foundation is that you take a quiz like you do with any subscription service at the beginning, and it gives a feel for like your personality, but they also ask about your skin tone and the things that you prefer, like beauty products and things like that, and your age, so they know if you need like anti-aging stuff or like things for your skin. So as soon as I turned 26, I think I started getting a lot of anti-aging things, and I didn't appreciate it, but like low-key I did appreciate it. So thanks, Sephora. All right, moving on, we have ourselves a Biossance Oh gosh, no, there's lots of words on here. Oh, because that is the non-English side. Okay, it is the Biosan Squalane Tea Tree Detox Mask. Ooh, a mask, I love that. I love the sound of that. Purifies, calms, and softens skin. It is plant-derived. That's exciting. This is also a new product to Sephora, so I'm really excited to try this. Love myself a good mask, and the tea tree sounds amazing, so thank you. And last but not least, we've got something for our hair, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Hum Beauty Starts From Within Gummies with Benefits Hair Sweet Hair. I don't really know like the title of the product because there's a lot of stuff on this packaging, but it is from Hum Nutrition. It's my bonus product this month. Hair Sweet Hair. One daily vitamin for you, one for your hair. This gummy promotes healthy strands, plus it's really tasty. This all-natural line of supplements aims to solve beauty and lifestyle concerns from the inside out. Can I eat them both? The serving size is 2 gummies. I'm gonna eat them right now. They are pure and potent, gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO, sustainably sourced, and no artificial colors or flavors. That's so fun. Let's see how they taste. Yeah. I would eat these. They taste really good. I wish that these were in a packet from like a grocery store and I could just have like the whole thing right now. Maybe I'm just hungry, but these are good. So I would say for my very last box by Sephora Play for the moment was really, really good. I'm really impressed with all the skincare that I got. I am a sucker for skincare, moisturizers, masks, so I love that I got a variety of those things to have for my last box. I also am super interested in these Hum gummies. Like, they're so good and I would not forget to eat them every day because I would want to eat them every day. And another foundation to try, a new one from Tarte. Really excited that we went out with a bang for our last box for the moment. Again, if you all are looking for a good subscription box that doesn't break the bank, I would totally recommend Sephora Play. $9.99 a month and you get really bougie products such as these in your box. But that is all that I have for you all for today for this new Makeup Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you're new and like this sort of content or lifestyle or vlogs or Sims, yes, Sims, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below. Everybody like up the video before you leave, and I will catch all of y'all in my next one. I'll see you later. Bye.